Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight game crashing or not launching, lagging, freezing, stuck on loading screen, not opening, black screen, or several other issues on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to restart your PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5 first. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button, then select restart PS5. After that, launch the game and check. Next solution is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold on power button unless two beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. After that, launch the game and check. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to enable or disable HDCP. For that, first go to the settings menu from the PS5 home screen. Now select system, then select HDMI from the sidebar. Here toggle enable HDCP to on or off, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, first go to settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings and go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar. Now select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight game and then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next solution is to sign out and sign to PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next method is to change DNS settings on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, click on network, click on settings, click on setup internet connection. Here select your network and press the options button. Then select advanced settings and change DNS settings to manual. Here are the Google DNS primary as well as secondary. After this, choose OK to save. It is recommended to go to network, click on connection status and then click on test internet connection to ensure it is working properly. Next method is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next is to delete game save file. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight game and then check if the issue is fixed. Next solution is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings in your PS5, select system. Now go to system software, click on system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if any update is available. Finally, choose update using internet option. Next method is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings. At last, choose restore option. Next method is to reinstall Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight again to check for the error. If not, then last solution is to contact support. If nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain the issue you are coming across and the support team will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.